G'day folks, it's just after midday, Sunday the 3rd of October 2021. Here we are in Sydenham. I'll tell you where we are, we're right outside the Sydenham Bakery in Colombo Street here in Christchurch, New Zealand. Lovely spring afternoon, and I walked past this just on the footpath here, Pinkabelle apparently. Now this is a Toyota it seems. It seems like it's a factory made camper van. This isn't just a panel van that someone's put a bed base into at the back. It comes complete with a advanced anti-theft system, which you may notice which I believe is a Chihuahua brand. I do apologise, I'm only on the backup camera today. There we can see the anti-theft system is operating efficiently. Just be careful, that thing will tear your leg right off. But what a fabulous machine. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. It looks like we got like a rack and a ladder there. You can, I believe it looks like the roof pops up a little bit. And it's got the awning that comes out. So there we go, Pinkabelle. And there's even a life lesson on the back there for us to learn. We can be careful not to get run over here. It's a Sunday afternoon, there's not a lot of traffic, but you do have to be just a little bit careful. And what a glorious vehicle. I hope that somebody really appreciates that. Pinkabelle. Made in a TownAce space, so Toyota Basics.